Hello guys. Welcome to Learn English Easily. Subscribe to our channel and activate the bell so you don't miss any new video.
Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing?
Good morning, James. I am doing well. And you?
I'm great, thank you. With me, my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please?
Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us.
Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions.
Hi, Helen. How's it going?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Just fine. Where are you off to?
To the library. I've got a history exam next week and need to start studying.
Oh, no. Well, I'll see you later then. Good luck.
Thanks. See you later. What time is it? We're going to be late.
It's 7:15. We're on time. Don't panic.
But I thought we had to be at the restaurant by 7:30 for the surprise party. We'll never make it there with all this evening traffic.
Sure we will. Rush hour is almost over. Anyway, the party starts at 8 o'clock. But I do need help with directions. Can you call the restaurant and ask them where we park our car? Hello, I'll be your waiter today. Can I start you off with something to drink?
Yes. I'll have iced tea, please.
And I'll have lemonade.
Okay. Are you ready to order, or do you need a few minutes?
I think we are ready. I'll have the tomato soup to start, and the roast beef with mashed potatoes and peas.
How do you want the beef? Rare, medium, or well done?
Well done, please.
And I'll just have the fish, with potatoes and a salad.
What seems to be the problem?
Well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have a headache.
How long have you had these symptoms?
About 3 days now. And I'm really tired, too.
Aha. It sounds like you have got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours, and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you're still sick next week.
Excuse me. Could you tell me where the library is?
Yes, it's that way. You go 3 blocks to Washington Street, then turn right. It's on the corner, across from the bank.
Thanks. I have only been in town a few days, so I really don't know my way around yet.
Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here a year ago, and I still don't know where everything is.
Hi, Michael.
Hi, Amy. What's up?
I'm looking for the airport. Can you tell me how to get there?
No, sorry. I don't know.
I think I can take the subway to the airport. Do you know where the subway is?
Sure, it's over there, across the street.
Do you know if there's a restroom around here?
Yes, there's one here. It's in the store.
Thank you.
Bye. Hello, miss. Do you need a taxi?
Yes.
Do you have any luggage?
Just these 2 suitcases.
Okay, I will put them in the back for you. Where are you going?
The Hilton Hotel.
I think there are 2 in Boston. Which one are you going to?
The one downtown.
Is this your first time in Boston?
No. I've been here many times. I come here for work all the time. Do you know how long it will take?
It shouldn't take long. Probably about 15 minutes.
Wow! It looks like the traffic is really bad.
Yeah, there might be an accident up ahead.
Okay. Then stop at the next intersection. I'm gonna get out there and take the subway.
Good evening.
Hi. Do you have any vacancies tonight?
Yes. The rate is $55.
Do the rooms have internet access?
We have wireless. If you have a computer, you can use the wireless network for an additional $5.
Okay, I'd like a room please.
Would you like a smoking or a non-smoking room?
Non-smoking.
How many people?
We are 2 people.
Would you like a king-size bed or 2 double beds?
King-size bed, please.
How will you be paying?
Visa. Here you are.
You're in room 237. It's on the 2nd floor. Here's your key. Sign here, please.
Hi there. How can I help you?
Well, I'm in town visiting for a few days, and I need to get some things done while I'm here.
Sure. What do you need?
I need to get my hair cut. I also need to have my new pants hemmed.
Okay. Here's a map of the city. There's a good hair salon here, which is just a block away. And there's a tailor right here. Is there anything else?
Yes. I'll need to have my car serviced before my long drive home.